Welcome. Today I'm going to be leading you through a postnatal yoga sequence that is great to release shoulders and back fatigue from breastfeeding. We are going to move arms, massage the spine with some twists, and stretch to ease shoulders and neck discomfort. Make sure you have the green light from your doctor or physiotherapist before starting any kind of physical practice after birth. So find a quiet spot at home where you have space to move. Use your yoga mat or a carpet. And if you have props like blocks, straps, and bolsters, please have them available near you. If you don't have, just grab some pillows, a blanket, a long towel, or a scarf, and let's start. For this first set, you can use a strap or a small towel like mine. Stretch the towel to start. When you inhale, lift the arms, moving them a little bit behind your head. Exhale and all the way down. Let's repeat. Inhale to lift and exhale to lower. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale down. Now lift your arms again, and when you exhale, you move arms to your left side. Inhale center and exhale arms to your right. Let's repeat it a few more times, always trying to keep the towel stretched and the movement of the arm as back as you can. Inhale center, exhale left side. Inhale, exhale right. Inhale. When you're exhaling, you lower your arms and put the towel aside. Let's focus on the spine. Inhale, curve your spine to lift your chest up, and when you exhale, round your back and chin to chest. Let's do this 3 more times. So, when you inhale, you lift up, exhale, round. Inhale, chest up, and exhale, chin to chest. Coming back, now lift your arms up. Drop your left hand on the ground and extend your right arm up. Now come back to center, take another breath and drop your right hand while you extend the left arm. We continue this side stretch flow, always inhaling in the center and exhaling to side bend. Continue. This is an effective way to stretch open the intercostal muscles. Next time you lift your arms, drop the palms down and walk them forward while you lengthen your spine. Try to keep your tailbone down towards the ground to feel a deeper stretch in your back. Take a few deep breaths. Let's switch to hands and knees. When you inhale, lift your chest up, and when you exhale, round your back. Repeat it a few times. This cat-cow flow helps you regain spine mobility and ease back discomfort from breastfeeding. Now let's add a few variations with child pose and downward facing dog. Inhale, curve your chest up. Exhale, round your spine and sit back in child pose. So inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round your spine. Tuck your toes to downward facing dog. Let's continue this way a few more rounds, alternating between child pose and downward facing dog. So next time you inhale, chest up, exhale, round, downward facing dog. Drop your knees, inhale, chest up, exhale, round, sit back in child pose. Inhale, chest and chin up. Exhale, tuck your toes, downward dog. Now next time you drop your knees, inhale, chest up. And now let's round to child pose, and we stay here for a few deep breaths. This is a good moment to recharge and to restore in child pose. Let's do one more pose in all fours. Inhale, your right arm goes up. As you exhale, right arm treads underneath the left until your shoulder and ear lower to the floor. You want to keep your left arm active. You can extend it overhead with palms flat, or another option, you can place your hand in your sacrum or in front of your face. Stay here for a few breaths, opening gradually your chest to the left without affecting the alignment of your hips. Use the support of your hand to come up. Before switching to the other side, let's do some hip circles to reset. Now let's repeat the pose on the opposite side by placing the left arm underneath your right side. Again, choose where you want to place your right arm. We are going to stay here for a few deep breaths. In each breath, you want to open a little bit more your chest to your right side, releasing more and more your left shoulder. Use your right arm now to help you come back up. Let's repeat the hip circles to reset your body. Do it a few times. For the next one, lie on your right side with your arms straight, palms together, and your legs bent 90 degrees. You can use a pillow under your head for more comfort. Inhale and lift the top arm until you fully turn to your left, and exhale, move back to neutral. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. Inhale, open and reach back. Your head follows your arm. Exhale, turn back. Each time you open your arm, see how far you can go. Always reset in center. Next time, stay with your arms open for a few breaths. And here, gradually release to allow your shoulders to drop more and more and the surface of your back to soften. Now come to a flat back and turn to your left side. When you are all set, start at your own pace. Inhale, turn your top arm to open, and exhale, go back to neutral. Repeat a few more times at your own pace. This exercise helps to massage and release those tight and tired muscles in your upper back from daily new mama tasks like breastfeeding and changing diapers. Now stay here with the arms open for a few breaths. Again, relaxed and release as much as possible. Soften your face, your forehead, and allow your legs to drop more. Sit up, get your blanket and fold it until it forms a long roll. Place it now at the center of your mat, and when you are ready, sit at the edge and lie on it. The blanket is going to be all along your spine and supporting your head. Adjust it also to the neck curve for more comfort. Get your arms straight, fingertips pointing to the ceiling. Now inhale, reach up without arching your upper back, and exhale, move arms back. Each time you reach up, your shoulder blades moves apart to get your arms higher, and when you exhale, you retract your shoulders back. So do it a few more times. When you inhale, you reach up, and when you exhale, you retract. Now shrug your shoulders to reset. Get your arms straight up again, closing the hands into fists. Take a breather, and when exhale, reach the arms back behind you. Go as far as is comfortable for you. Let's repeat a few more. You don't need to touch the ground, however, try to keep the elbows straight. During each exhale, while you move the arms back, keep your lower abs and pelvic floor engaged. This exercise is a combination of arms movement with abdominal turning. Last set, bend your elbows in cactus, palms facing up. Inhale, reach your arms back again. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale up, exhale 90 degrees. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Try not to drop the arms to the ground each time you lift. In the last one, stay with your arms straight and engage for a few deep breaths. Try your best to keep your arms away from the ground. Now coming back to neutral, circle your shoulders once more to reset. To end the practice, you can do your Shavasana lying your mid back on top of the rolled blanket, extending your arms in a T shape and also your legs. The rolled blanket will gently elevate your chest, allowing a passive stretch on the upper front part of your body. Another option, get a bolster or a stack of pillows and something to support your head. Lie flat on top of it. Now extend and relax your arms and legs, allowing the passive stretch on the front part of your body. Let go here any resistance. Find a way to a seated position. Put your hands in your heart center. Let's conclude today's practice by repeating internally. My postpartum body is healthy and strong. Believe that you are an incredible mother, the perfect mother for your baby. Namaste. Thank you for joining me today.